Markets are dropping so hard right now. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and you need to see this. We got Coinbase down 9.6%. The bloodbath continues. Robinhood down 16% on the day. We have Microsoft down 5.6% on the day. We have Meta down 3% on the day. And it even gets worse. SMCI down 16% on the day. Guys, right? We obviously can't predict the future. No question about that. Apple and Amazon report earnings after the market closes today. And if you think this is bad, it can get so much worse. DJT down 15% today, right? You guys remember when I made the video when DJT was trading at $50 per share and I said, hey, be careful. This thing could easily pull on back. It's a notorious pump and dump. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that, hey, it went from $11 to highs of 57. It might not be the worst idea to take profits. Guess what happens? It ends up selling off. Surprise, surprise. Same thing I said with Tesla. Everyone, when I made those videos, when Tesla gapped up, they're like, oh no, Tesla's going to 300. Tesla's going to 300. Again, it just shows how much greed is in the market. Yes, Tesla could go to 300, but nonetheless, Tesla went from 216 all the way to highs of 270. That's an incredible run, right? And it's so important to be aware of when the downside potential outweighs the $15 maybe you missed out on. Now you've given back all of your gains. Maybe you're back to break even. There's huge downside potential even to, still present itself if we get confirmation of the market selling off after Amazon and Apple report earnings today. So the selling pressure is aggressive today. Strong lower lows, strong lower highs. And it looks like a lot of this selling pressure is stemming from Microsoft and Meta. Guidance was not the best for Microsoft. Meta's guidance was fair, but their spending in AI was not what Wall Street expected. It was a lot more. Even Mark Zuckerberg said he was surprised with how much they're going to be spending in 2025. So now it really comes down to this. If you are asking the question, Ricky, can things get worse? Come on. Of course they can, right? We have Apple and Amazon that are going to be reporting earnings today after the bell. The NASDAQ market's getting absolutely destroyed, as it should be, right? I mean, market's been so incredibly bullish for no reason that if you look at this on the 4-hour time frame, there's been huge pullback. Based off of previous highs, this pullback has been long overdue. Now, should you completely be freaking out? No, but should you be surprised? I hope not, right? I hope that you're not surprised. It makes complete sense on why this is happening. And now Apple and Amazon are going to be the ones that really, tell us, okay, are we going to continue to sell off until NVIDIA reports earnings maybe next week, or find a support and actually begin to recover? That is the big question. It's not if the markets can continue to drop, but it's all based off of how Apple and Amazon report earnings and what their guidance looks like. Again, not just their earning reports, but their guidance. How does it look like for, Q1, Q2 of 2025? Is it as expected, or is it lower or worse than what is expected? Because again, companies are losing billions of dollars right now because of how much they're investing into this AI. It kind of reminds me of this whole metaverse, right, type of thing. So I'm very excited to follow up. I was thinking of hosting a live session to watch Apple and Amazon report earnings today after the market closes. You guys let me know down in the comment section. All I ask you to do is drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We can go live together. We can watch the market react because, again, I would just be very excited to see if this bloodbath continues into Friday, or if we actually begin to show signs of an actual recovery if Apple and Amazon earnings support it. So I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Do not put yourself in a position that you're going to end up regretting. And if you're freaking out with all that, all the selling pressure that is happening, then that just means that your position size is way too aggressive and you need to learn how to manage it a little bit better. So again, I hope to see you in today's live a little bit later. Make sure you subscribe. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.